Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Fess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? And I am here to present the dance After Party. The song is After Party, the artist is KOFFEE Brown, and the choreography is MAURICE, ROWE. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. If you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, please watch till the end and I'll post it right here. Last but not least, oh my God, thank you guys for your support. The NOLA Southern Experience Line Dance Weekend 11 through 14, 2024. The registration is open right now, and thank y'all guys so much for your support. I see you booking your room, and I see your registration. Thank you guys. If you're interested in attending, please go over to our website, www.LMIUNOLA.com, and I'll see you there. Let's go, guys. We're going to start on this wall right here. Cute dance, huh? That's After Party. And also, you want to check out the NOLA Southern Experience Party, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open now, and book your room at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.